Thank you for this opportunity to talk with you for a few minutes. As young professionals with several years of experience, you understand the importance of technical expertise. Today, I want to share why joining IEEE can be a transformative journey for your career, particularly in developing an entrepreneurial mindset that complements your technical know-how. Although it can, developing and growing an entrepreneurial mindset does not mean you have a definite desire to start your own business. At this stage in your career, you're likely aiming to expand your impact, take on leadership roles, and drive innovation within your organization. We offer an unparalleled platform to help you achieve these goals, making it your professional home for creating a storied career in engineering. We can first help you provide connections to an extensive network of professionals across various industries. Imagine tapping into a wealth of knowledge and experience for mentorship in leadership, project management, and strategic thinking. IEEE has professional development programs designed to help you grow beyond your technical skill set. Through workshops, webinars, and conferences, you can hone your skills in communication, negotiation, and team building. These skills will set you apart as a leader who can inspire and manage teams effectively, ensuring projects excel. One standout benefit by joining us is its focus on innovation and entrepreneurship. If you're curious on bringing new ideas to life or even start your own venture, we offer resources and support systems to grow your entrepreneurial mindset. You can participate in innovation challenges, access to funding opportunities, or if you want, learn how to turn technical ideas into successful business ventures for yourself. Or even think like a CEO to help employer increase their growth opportunities. We also offer additional opportunities to give back and grow through volunteering. Leading a committee, organizing STEM events, or mentoring younger professionals can significantly enhance your leadership and organizational skills. As you know, we learn by doing. And with these experiences, you will enrich your resume and build your reputation as a proactive and influential member of the professional community. Joining IEEE means staying ahead of the curve. With access to the latest research, industry trends, and technological advancements, you can ensure your knowledge remains current and relevant. This positions you as a thought leader in your field, capable of driving forward-thinking initiatives in your workplace. In summary, IEEE is a catalyst for your growth, a professional home for creating your story and shaping your career and helping you create a meaningful journey.